Hi, I'm Kevin Alley. I work here at Thompson Pump, a company that manufactures industrial pumps in a variance of sizes and types. We offer a big variety of pumps. You'll see it in the construction. You'll see it in the mining industry. You'll see it in wastewater management, right? So you'll see these show up all over. Once you identify the pump, you'll see the branding, the colors, you see them everywhere. Here at Thompson Pump, we needed to have some changes. Example would be in our rotary system. We wanted to be able to machine it in one process, one step. Before they were doing it in steps, they were struggling with our keyway widths, which caused other problems in production. So this is where Eurotech came in. We were impressed with the ability of the machines, the quality of the design of the machines, and of course the most important key was support. I have to have good support today. You can't build these things and have these things with no support. So the machines that we purchased were the B1250 SLY. And the reason that machine was because of its physical size, because of our demand, our shaft sizes. Our parts are fairly big, fairly heavy. We ended up with that machine is our first choice. And our second choice was the B620 SLY, because I wanted to have the same control, the same features. The 620 has a few other features that the 1250 doesn't for doing a higher production level. One installation, one operation, and I have a completed shaft. That product doesn't come out of that machine until it's 100% complete. And all of those previous problems in production have gone away. So it really gave us a powerful ability to produce the rotor accurately. So now we can supply ourselves with a clear, on-time delivery and a better product. So for us, that was a home run.